What's going on? Look at all this snow. Hi, Kit Kit. I need I can't even see.
I'm making a snow angel.
I need longer boots. It's pretty deep. And I am standing in the tracks that the kids already made.
What?
I'm talking to the camera. Because if I weren't, then I would definitely have snow inside of my boots. That's Michael. He's our neighbor. He lives down here on the end. And his sister and Kittiara were born on the same day, the same year. They didn't live here at the time. They moved in about 6 months after that.
Here, get up.
Kit Kat! What are you doing?
She's sitting on the little chair here.
Oh, you dug her a little chair?
Yeah, a little chair.
What is that? What is it? Did you say snow?
Bury me with snow.
No, don't get buried in the snow. You'll be soaking wet.
What?
No.
Oh! I'm in a snowsuit.
Well, I am going to go in and get some hot chocolate going. It is really cold out and very snowy, and I don't know how much longer the kids are going to last out here. And it's, I don't know if you can see, it's still snowing pretty hard. It's really bright. I have my sunglasses on. What's going on over here? I don't even know who that is, but he's talking to my husband about people not having their lights on. So, you can see he's been digging. Oh boy, I can't even get out of here. My dear husband is trying to dig us out. Because we do not like being trapped, and we do have four-wheel drive, which is good for today, but will not get us out of this. You can see